C.R.I.'s Professional Drone Pilot Program. Would you like to get into an exciting and profitable career involving drones? Some drone and UAV pilots are making 5- and 6-figure salaries, so why not you? Have you ever wondered how to enter this amazing career field and then make this your reality? Then pay close attention. Currently, the drone and UAV industry is growing rapidly. With this growth, more and more jobs, as well as career opportunities, are emerging. If aviation and drones in particular excite you, then our professional drone pilot course may be a good fit. We deliver one of the best professional drone pilot courses in the industry. Here are some of the topics that we cover in our 15-day program. Preparation and passing of the FAA Part 107 test. Drone safety, flight planning, quad rotor flight, fixed wing UAV flight, FPV flight, beyond visual line of sight flight, aerial videography and photography, aerial footage post-production, drone filming and storytelling, practical flight drills and exercises, basic drone repair and parts replacement, 2D and 3D modeling and mapping, introduction to remote piloted aircraft or RPA, use of drone sensors and visual components, thermal drone imaging, low light and night flight, practical drone business, drone service marketing, effective FAA waiver writing and submission, compliance with FAA regulations, public speaking, business negotiation, and pitching to a client. We have arranged financial aid assistance for students who qualify and who wish to get into this amazing career field. C.R.I.'s Professional Drone Pilot Program is held to the highest standard in the education industry and is approved by the Nevada Commission on Postsecondary Education. You can also contact us directly at 702-222-3489 or email us at cri@critraining.com. Click the link below this video for more information.